already know. Tp1 this baby.
Keep putting in that work. You know why? You almost there. You almost there. It's gonna pay off.
Like as y'all can see, it's only 12 o'clock, and I'm not gonna lie, percentage for just what I got going on. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Just Said, and I'm coming at y'all with a new video. And in today's video, y'all, we ended up hitting Tp1, but we ended up hitting break even right after. But overall, today's day wasn't bad at all. Honestly, the market was going to the moon literally today. Like, I know we had some levels that we could have hit, but honestly, I don't know. Like, I generally don't know if Trump tweeted something or something happened or I was just missing something, but I didn't know it was gonna go that high. But overall today, it was good. I'm not really mad at all that we ended up hitting break even. So it's not really, I consider it a W day for me. So yesterday, I don't know if I did. I think I did trade and I think I lost. That's one thing. I gotta start recording more again. Like, I'm not being as consistent, but I know I'm gonna be consistent again. I'm gonna try to upload probably now, since like after I was done and I did everything, got my little brother and stuff like that, I ended up knocking out, and basically I was gonna record the video at that time, but it kind of came to my advantage because there was a lot of noise at that time and now it's just quiet, and it's not really that late. It's about to just be 12, so by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be already Wednesday, like morning, because I'm gonna try to see if I upload it early in the morning. But yeah, to not talk too much about that aspect, really just hit break even today. Market was bullish. Honestly, had a great setup. Like, honestly, I feel like I had a great setup. And I didn't, like, it wasn't really live because I wasn't like fully there in the camera, but I did screen record it since I had to go do something. Well, I didn't really have to go do something, but I was just like in the moment, like, oh yeah, let me just screen record it since I wasn't recording myself. Just like, if this happens or like this plays out, that's one thing I gotta do too. I gotta just let it rock. Like, whenever I'll get a screen record or just get into a trade, let's say if I get into a trade, like, get into a screen record probably when I start making my bias or things like that. That way I could just do it right when I get into the trade, honestly. Like, it's not really that difficult, and honestly, it kind of went good today, so I kind of might start doing that more frequently, or just obviously start live thing behind. But to not really talk too much, to really make this intro longer than it is, I'm really just chilling right now. Like I still say, like, if y'all just obviously have my light off like before I turn on the thing, so you probably not might see me a lot, but literally just chilling, like not really doing too much at all. Like, as y'all can see, it's only 12 o'clock, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm already telling y'all, like, I feel this. I'll be telling this to my cousin all the time. Like, I already feel the time when we just in V12s already just riding around at nighttime at this time, not just worried about a single thought or anything just like that. But yeah, to not really talk too much, y'all already know. Tp1 this baby. The grind don't stop though, but I am in a trade right now. Like, I am in a what do you call this? Trading view, in a paper trade, so don't think I'm in an actual trade right now. So yeah. But as y'all could see, I ain't gonna lie, I had a crazy ass entrance. I would, like, honestly, if I'd had another eval, I would have bought another another account. But right now I'm just on this 25K one. I'm just trying to see if I could just get some profit. But like I was saying though, I could try to see if I could get some profit off the 25K account to buy another eval. And I should have really done that with my last payout and be more like, usage, but kind of did use a certain percentage for, just what I got going on. But to not really speak too much, next clip is really just going to be, me going over what happened in today's day. And as y'all already know, like the video, subscribe, comment down below what y'all thoughts about today. Obviously, it was going crazy. I literally could show it right now. Yeah, as y'all can see, literally this is just PM. Like, I mean, lunch. This is actual New York. Like, obviously it's in the 1 minute, so it kind of makes it look a little more crazier, but that's basically what happened today. And yeah, to not really talk too much, I'm out to John. See you on the next one. Alright, so y'all already know that I already have the clip already basically playing in the background, so, well, screen recorded, so I'm really just gonna talk over it. I might cut some parts, you know, maybe to make it a little faster, but overall, I'm gonna just leave it like this. Just talk raw over like really what's just happening or what I'm looking at or what I'm thinking of when I'm thinking about like in the trade. Right now, honestly, like being 100 realistic, I didn't really feel like the trade was gonna lose just for how bullish we was. I felt like it was just a little, like maybe a little retracement that we was doing, because literally the move that happened right before it was literally just like the same aspect. Don't get me wrong, you might call me a little crazy, but I honestly was trying to see if any shorts was gonna happen. And as soon as we saw the bullish, all this bullish, I'm like, yeah, bro, I think I'm going against the trend, honestly. I'm really finding a bullet if I'm trying to go against it. So I was like, yeah, the chill was just looking good. And I don't know, obviously, if y'all seen before, like on the indicator I have, there was basically the same spot that we're basically going to, that we're about to break right now. Basically was a liquidity sweep to the downside that was kind of like, you know, making her reject a little. So we was kind of breaking that. And also, I do know that obviously if you're using the standard deviation, obviously if you're around this range, you would want to see more of like, what do you call it? Honestly, I could have even put a standard deviation in this spot also, like maybe in the higher time frames if it looks better. So that maybe could have been something I peeped also, but I didn't really see that at that time. This video might be long also, so hey, if y'all in this right now, if y'all the real ones looking at this right now, y'all already know. Comment down below how y'all went, and maybe something that y'all see that maybe I didn't see, that I didn't explain. I don't know. Just leave it down below. But right here, it was coming back down to the 1 minute fair value gap that I had. But it was like the same thing I was saying. I didn't really think that it was gonna go down. Like honestly, I didn't really have like that. Like honestly, like it's just like I said. I don't know if I pulled, like I think I did say it in the recent upload that I did about the one that I broke even, but I walked away with a W. It's basically like the same thing I said in that video. That honestly, ever since I like was losing trades on my funded, knowing that I was following my exact rule, and I wasn't breaking it just because I lost like the previous day, it made me like like in a sense like not really cared so much about really what goes on in the trade no more. Like as soon as I get in the trade, it's just that's my bias. That's what I think could happen. I obviously have to go with the possibility that it could hit my profit, or I could obviously lose, and that's the sacrifice, or you could basically say what we got to go through in order to take wins. And I'm perfectly fine taking that risk. But I don't know, probably y'all would say, why am I going for such little profit? I am in a 25K account, so obviously it's kind of more like, especially since I forgot about the consistency, that obviously if you go big in the first trade, it's going to be way better. That way you could take bigger trades consistently. And I forgot about that, and I only took a little trade. But obviously, I'm not trying to rush into the process either. So, you know, we starting off small again. But honestly, we're very close. We could have hit it this week, honestly, if I didn't, like I said, I didn't really break no trades, like no rules. Just honestly, the only one that I would say I kind of broke recently was I waited until past like 11. After 11, most of the times I'm done already if I don't see a bias, like if my bias don't work out. So yeah, basically I ended up waiting until like 12, almost to 1, to just get stopped out in less than a second, and that was pretty unfortunate, but it wasn't like I was risking a lot either. And as you can see right now, we was going up, and obviously I saw another 1 minute fair value gap, and we was clearly rejecting off it. I really thought that, I'm pretty sure, I don't think we hit TP1 here just yet. I think we come back down one more time, but I really thought in this time right here we were just gonna blast through the roof. Like honestly, I really thought I was gonna hit full TP. Like being full transparent, I really thought I was gonna walk away with a full W. Like I'm being honest. Once I literally saw this exact move right here, I literally thought I'm walking away with a W. Like literally. But obviously, it didn't work out to my favor. But we still walked away with a W. I don't care. But as you can see, obviously, like I do say, you gotta be careful when obviously the market does that, because obviously we could either go up crazy or we could come back down to try to fill it, just like how we did. But alright, so what's going on? Yeah, I'm back. Had a quick storage problem. We already got it sorted out though. But basically, like I was saying though, back to the trade. I really thought that we was, but obviously I didn't know that we obviously can come back down. So I didn't really lose no hope. I just, trade's doing what the trade's doing, man. You gotta let it flow. So honestly, yeah, like not really much to say right now. Just market's just coming back down. It really did swept the range a little bit, but it did come back and reinverse on us, so it did end up doing good. But as y'all could see, it was trying to move up. That's why I generally thought that we was gonna go up. But as y'all can see, still going down. Me just looking around, moving, take profit. I don't know why I moved it. Maybe to put it in the line directly. I don't serve no difference. Okay, I done. Okay, pass me. Okay, pass me. Okay, bro. Subtract $4. Okay. But yeah, it's like I'm saying though. One thing I just realized though, I didn't know you could see the money in the side. Like once you get in a trade, you could see what's your P&L once you hit that range. So that's kind of decent. I ain't gonna lie. You could try to see how much you specifically need to be in that range, so you could really know like how much you risking for real. But basically, as y'all could see right there, it's the recent low high that it could break. As y'all know, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Y'all know that. That's basically just trying to break it, and that's where I kind of was like, yeah, I think we're just gonna skyrocket, man. I see it, bro. Like I said too, like I didn't move, honestly. Like I wasn't really, like I did. You might see me move it. I think it was after. I don't know if it's now. But I think I did move it just to see. But I was like, nah, bro. Let me just put it straight, bro. Like, let me be a G, bro. Like, if it comes down, bro, it takes me out, bro. It takes me out, bro. Let me be a G, bro. I think right now. But, do I got some water, bro? Damn, I don't got some water, bro. GG's, bro. I might cut this out real quick and get some water, bro. Nah, I'm a G, bro. I'm gonna wait. But yeah, basically right now we're just doing what I said, basically breaking it. You could basically say we're kind of doing a turtle swoop in a sense, but it was like I'm saying right now though. I was moving the the stop loss a little bit more up, and then I saw it coming down a little bit, and I was like, bro, let me just move it down, bro. let me just stop being a B, bro. So just put it back down, and it just started pum bim bum bim bum bim bum bim. Let me stop, bro. I'm not an emotional trader, bro. I promise you, I'm not an emotional trader. Literally, just when I'm looking at her, like, I turn emotional. But once I'm in a trade, I'm not emotional though. Don't get it mistaken, bro. Don't get it mistaken. I'm not an emotional trader. But yeah, I know. Well, I know you're not gonna see it, but I was red. You know, silly me. You know, I was trying to be, you know, a crazy Muddy John, and I was trying to catch a trade during nighttime. And as y'all can see, bang, TP1, bang, bang. Yeah, I already see that though. But ooh, I pray God. I was about to go check on my trade right now, but I ain't gonna lie. Look, I'm gonna let it surprise me. But yeah, basically, as y'all see, we broke that range. I honestly felt like maybe, well, I think we would have got stopped out anyways. Matter of fact, I think it came all the way back down to the fair value gap that we had at the bottom, which I think was a 5-minute fair value gap, which I was seeing earlier when I was doing that in my journal. I was saying that it was a 5-minute. I think it was. If I'm certain, I think it was a 5 minutes. I'm not positive, but I'm not wrong though. Like Tony said, bro, even when I lie, I always tell the truth. Now let me stop, bro. I'm not lying. But yeah, basically it was a 5-minute, and it really served as a good, basically, retracement. And that's what I kind of saw throughout the whole entire session. Kind of, we was just jumping off 5-minute, like 5-minute fair value gaps, inverse. So that's one thing I'm probably might look forward, like if we have a price action like this anytime soon again. But yeah, honestly, I don't really think, now looking at it again, I don't really think I would want to like go higher in a sense. I think it was actually perfect for me to have it there. But yeah, basically right here, I generally thought we were just gonna break it and just gonna pop off, bro. I was thinking about trailing it, but nah, bro. That's one thing I really had to, how you call it, work on. And I feel like I've been working on it real nice now that I'm back in the eval. I'm not in a funded where it's like, not that I had the pressure, but obviously sometimes you have that little, like, I don't know how to explain it. You know, you just have that little feeling that you just know you in the funded, so it's like, you know, it's way different. But like, that's one thing, like, obviously, like I said, with the loss, like, nah, me just being on the eval taught me again, in a sense. It's just how to take a hit. Like how Rocky said, it's not about how hard you get hit, it's about how hard you could get back up and keep. I don't remember it, but yeah. But as y'all see, bang, 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 break even on the day. Instantly went to go turn off the media. And yeah, basically, as y'all saw, not a bad day at all, honestly. Like I was saying, I mean, I don't know why I'm saying like it was a bad day at all. Fam, it was an amazing day. But yeah, like I'm saying, good day overall. It is 12:25 right now. We did not hit TP yet. I thought we was gonna rise a little longer, but kind of reasonable. Asia session just ended. Waiting for London session. Hopefully, London session doesn't drive us all the way back down, which I don't think it should. If anything, I feel like if it does, I feel like we should take it out. I mean, it's not even like it's particularly any level either. All the levels are really to the downside. So tomorrow could be an interesting ass day. I didn't even check the news for tomorrow, and I'm not even going to check it because tomorrow has not come yet. But yeah, to not really talk too much, I'm basically just going to leave off the video like this. It's probably gonna be like 20 minutes, honestly speaking. I know I kind of did record a little long, a little. Well, I'm not even gonna say a little long, because honestly, I've been doing that almost every video now. You know, do my usual like 4 or 6 minute intro, and with this video just being 13, I know it's gonna be a little bit of time. So if y'all did make it to the end of this video, highly appreciative of you, my brother. Highly appreciative. And I thank you for just, taking the time to watch, watch me trading and to not really talk too much. Like the video, subscribe, post notifications. As y'all do know, we on the road to 100 subscribers. And if anything, if y'all haven't seen my latest video about, about basically taking the same trade, getting stopped out in one trade and taking that bit right back up when it get retested back to the upside. That's an amazing trade. That's an amazing trade. But yeah, so not y'all too much. I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna go edit this. Hopefully I don't stay up too late and edit this, but I already won and knock out. But yeah, to not talk too much, I'm out this joint. Enjoy y'all day. Y'all already know.